Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with a super cool product. This is from Capsulier.com. It's the world's first single-push reusable mess-free capsule maker. Now, this works with your Nespresso unit, your coffee maker, and it's Nespresso compatible. This is the Capsulier Lite, and these guys have launched this baby, and it makes it so that you can basically take your Nespresso machine and craft your own coffee capsules. That's very easy on the environment and your budget. You can basically take and load in your own roasted ground beans right in the capsulizer. You close the lid, push the lever, and you'll have a capsule ready in seconds you can use in your Nespresso machine. Very cool that way. Now, one thing I like to do is I like to order coffees from around the world. I don't necessarily like the coffees that you can buy. One of the problems I had in being an Nespresso customer was I constantly had to order the Nespresso pods. Nespresso keeps a really tight control on the Nespresso pods. It's even hard to buy them at your local store. You usually have to buy them off the Amazon and pay Amazon prices, and of course they know that it's exclusive, so you get charged a lot of money. This can save you a lot of money and also make it so you can enjoy your own coffees while still enjoying your Nespresso machine. So it's a great companion. It was designed in Sweden, so it's aesthetically pleasing, very functional, very discreet, and it can do a great job for you. You can make fresh coffee pods at home, quick and simple, just like your Nespresso machine. It's consistent like a barista. There's no mess, and it's better coffee. Unlimited choices in crafting your capsules. You can take and use whatever coffee you want, and you can save a ton of money, and you're saving the planet. You're not throwing all those pods in the garbage, filling up the landfill. So pretty cool that way. Has a nice little stainless steel cup. You put it in there and away you go, and it's very simple and easy. You place the capsule in the machine, pull the lever, fill it with coffee grounds, push the lever to tamp the coffee cake, cap the capsule, and you're ready to brew. Anyway, I highly recommend it. It's a great device. You can go to Capsulier.com and check out the Capsulier Lite, order yourself one up, and save yourself a ton of money. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.